Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 16th to 30th. This is what we're expecting the pattern to look like during the period. We still have positive height anomalies across the higher latitudes. We have a ridge mostly across most of Western North America, and we have a trough in the east, and we still have our upper low near the Aleutians. And we go to the end of the period. This would be the 20th for January. This is for January 16th to the 20th, and you can see very plainly right here. So I have a ridge here near Greenland. Now, during this forecast period, we're going to get now to the nitty gritty. We will have a surface low here. It drops down here through the plains, Mississippi Valley, and then takes a turn up the East Coast. This is the GFS. We're going to look at the different models. This is the NAM, which is further south of the precipitation at the same time, 84 hours. This is the Canadian. This is the European ensembles, a little further to the north. Notice where the 540 line is here, the blue line here right through central Jersey. And this is the GFS. The GFS has a precipitation farthest to the north. The freezing line, or the 540 line you want to call it, here is right across central New Jersey, southern Pennsylvania. Okay, this is what below. Now, this is Sunday night, 7 p.m. It's not quite snowy yet, according to this. The European's furthest north. Then we get to 7 a.m. on Monday, and it's still snowing pretty hard, maybe rain. This is GFS outlook. Looks like rain is coming just about to New York City. This would be heavy rain here. This is an inland track. And so this is the GFS now. The NAM doesn't go out that far, but we'll look at the Canadian. We'll look at the freezing line here. I think this is it further to the north. It's further inland than the other ones, than the other models. This is the European ensembles. 540 line again is to the north. I don't know. I'll try to draw maybe. Maybe you can see it better. Let me see if I can. Guess that's not going to work. 7 a.m. So here we are at 7 p.m. Saturday. Then we go to 7 a.m. on Monday. This is GFS, European ensembles. So the GFS is keeping snow at least to that time. Then we go to 7 p.m. on Monday, and the system lifts out. But it's further inland, not out over the ocean. This can still change. Now, one thing we're going to look at here is the positions of the low. Okay, Friday, Saturday. That's one low moving out. Now we're going to look at the ensembles. Saturday, Sunday 7 a.m. Sunday 1 p.m. Saturday 7 a.m. Now this is where the low is. They're all clustering here. Generally, it's still inland, but it's not as far as some of the other members here. And some of it has quite strong here, like far over the Tennessee Valley, 999 millibars. And then when it gets closer to us, or to the northeast, it starts still clustering here over an inland, over Virginia. And then it looks like it comes right over Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And there's still outliers in them. Even during the event, there's some outliers way down here offshore. So there's still members that are bringing offshore. So there's still a difference in the track. So this can still change as we go through the period. We're going to look at it from the upper levels. This is the GFS. We come to Saturday. Here's our low here. Then we go to 7 p.m. Sunday. It's overland. And then lifts out. That's the GFS. We're going to look at the European. This is upper level circulation overland. Now, it's still a couple days away. It just takes a matter of miles, but I don't know. Kind of doubt, like, they're still showing overland, but all of a sudden, usually overnight, there could be an eastward shift. But lately, the shift is more to the west. We have to see how that goes. Okay, we're going to go back to the forecast now. The west will have generally dry conditions under an upper ridge. The exception would be some light precipitation of the northwest and northern Rockies as a wind front moves through. We'll look at that at the surface. See the precipitation here, very light as it moves through. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for January 21st to the 25th. And the flow doesn't change very much. We have still our ridge here in the west. Trough in the east, ridge here, upper low. So pretty much remains the same. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures of forecast for areas generally east of the Mississippi River, and I'm calling for anomalies of near 8 degrees below normal, generally across northern New England, maybe parts of the mid-Atlantic. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Above normal precipitation forecast for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead for the period for January 26th to the 30th. Flow remains locked in. Still have our upper low here. Ridge over western North America. Trough here. Ridge above normal heights across the high latitudes. Overall, models in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region. And I'm calling for anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal heights, anomalies across the southwest. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region. And anomalies are forecast to be near 8 degrees below normal, generally across this area here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And I don't know about this. This might have to be trimmed back a little bit, but for now, calling for above normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 16th to 30th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.